This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, LP detector, water heater, microwave, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, awning, slide-out, skylight, spare tire kit, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150,278 BH is 8,365 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.